Financial freedom. What does it truly mean for you? It is so much more than simply having money in the bank. It means you are in control. You are in the driver's seat of your own life. You make the decisions, not your financial situation. This is about power. This is about peace of mind. It's about living a life filled with choices, not restrictions. Everyone deserves to feel this sense of security and possibility. Imagine waking up without that heavy weight of money worries. Think about making choices based on your dreams, not your fears. This is what financial empowerment offers. It's the ability to say yes to opportunities. It's the strength to handle unexpected challenges. It's the calm that comes from knowing you are prepared. This isn't a far-off dream. It is something you can build, day by day, starting today. Many people think financial freedom is only for the wealthy. That is absolutely not true. I am here to tell you that financial empowerment is for everyone. It does not matter where you're starting from. It does not matter what mistakes you might have made in the past. Today is a new day. You have the power to change your financial future. It begins with a simple decision, the decision to take control. This journey is about more than just numbers on a page. It is about your well-being. It is about your family's future. It is about your ability to live a full and joyful life. When you are financially empowered, you reduce stress. You build confidence. You open doors to new experiences. This is the ultimate goal. This is the freedom we are striving for together. You can do this. The very first step on your road to empowerment is often the simplest. Yet, it is the most powerful. We must talk about budgeting. Please, do not groan. A budget is not a punishment. It is not about telling yourself no all the time. A budget is your financial roadmap. It shows you where your money is going. It gives you clarity. It is the key to understanding your financial self. Knowledge is power. Creating your budget is easier than you think. Take out a piece of paper, or use a simple app. List all the money that comes in each month. Then list everything you spend money on. Be honest with yourself. Every single penny counts. This is not about judgment. It is about awareness. Once you see the full picture, you can start to make smart changes. This is you taking back control. Next, let's talk about saving money. This is so important. You must pay yourself first, I mean it. Before you pay any other bill, set aside some money for yourself. Even a small amount saved regularly will grow into something significant. Think of it as a bill you owe to your future self. Automate your savings if you can. Make it happen without thinking. This builds your safety net. This builds your dreams. Understanding credit is also crucial. Good credit is a powerful tool. It can help you achieve big goals like buying a home. Bad credit, on the other hand, can hold you back. It can cost you more money and interest. Learn how credit scores work. Always pay your bills on time. Try not to use all your available credit. Use credit wisely. Make it work for you, not against you. This is financial strength. Debt can feel overwhelming. It can feel like a chain holding you down. But I am here to tell you, you can break free. The first step is to face your debt head on. Make a list of everything you owe. Know the interest rates for each debt. This might feel scary, but it is necessary. You cannot fight an enemy you do not understand. This is your starting line for freedom. Now create a plan to attack that debt. There are different methods. You can focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Or you can pay off the smallest debt first for a quick win. This is called the Snowball method. Choose the plan that works best for you. Make more than the minimum payments whenever possible. Every extra bit helps you get free sooner. You are stronger than your debt. As you gain control over your debt, you can shift your focus. It is time to grow your money. This is where true wealth building begins. Saving is wonderful, but investing is how your money can really start working for you. Do not be intimidated by the idea of investing. You can start small, learn the basics. There are many resources available to help you understand. Your future self will thank you. Building good financial habits is the key to long-term success. This is not a one-time fix. It is an ongoing process. Review your budget regularly, track your spending and your savings, stay consistent with your debt repayment plan. Life will bring changes, so be prepared to adjust your financial plan along the way. Your commitment to these habits will pave your road to financial security. Financial knowledge is your greatest asset. The more you learn about money, the smarter your decisions will be. Take the time to educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts dedicated to financial empowerment. Many websites like empoweringyourfinance.com offer valuable insights and tools. Absorb information from trusted sources. You are investing in your most important asset, you. This knowledge builds unshakable confidence. Remember, you do not have to walk this path alone. There is no shame in asking for help. Sometimes talking to a financial counselor or a trusted advisor can make a big difference. They can offer guidance tailored to your specific situation. Seek out resources that resonate with you. Building a support system can keep you motivated. Learning is a journey, not a destination. Embrace it. Please hear me when I say this. Your current financial situation does not define your future. It does not matter how much money you have right now. It does not matter what your starting point is. Every single person has the ability to become financially empowered. It takes desire. It takes discipline. Most importantly, it takes believing in yourself. You have the strength within you to make a change. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step. Take it today. Do not put it off until tomorrow or next week or next year. The perfect time to start is right now. Open that savings account. Write down your expenses for 1 week. Make one small positive change. Every action you take, no matter how small it seems, moves you forward. You are on your way. Believe in your journey to financial freedom. You can achieve it. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Empowering Your Finance for more tips.